Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial, and today I'm going to be telling you about Olivia the candle maker. Now Olivia has a list of her candle styles, waxes, and wicks. She just typed it all out and then realized it would look better if it was all in uppercase. Now to stop her from wasting her time rewriting the entire sheet, Olivia wants to know if there's a faster way to convert everything to uppercase. Let's see if we can help. Now here you can see Olivia's list organized by the category, being the wax type, the candle style, and the wick type, and then the detail, what exactly the wax is, for example, soy wax, beeswax, palm wax, or gel wax, and then the candle style, such as tea lights, dipped candles, rolled candles, or floating candles, and then the wick type, flat, square, and cord. So this is going to be an internal document just for Olivia so she can keep all of this organized, but she still wants to be sure it's visually appealing and that she won't be distracted by some of the different text types. So what we're going to do is see if we can convert all of this to uppercase. Now to do this, we're going to be using a function called upper, as in uppercase. It should be very simple. We're just going to be using column C and column D as the new category column and the new detail column. So we're just going to type as usual, equal as always first, UPPER, and then tab or clicking on the actual function. Now the only thing that we need with this function is the text that we need to convert to uppercase letters. So we'll select category in cell A1, since we are in fact changing the data in the header this time. I really gotta quit using quotes. I've used quotes twice in this video now. And then I press enter and it changes all of the characters to be uppercase, and it even changes the font so it's more consistent. So now if I click the little square here and drag this down, it'll fill in everything there perfectly. Now in cell D1, I'm going to do the same thing, equal upper. And now you can see up here a little more clearly in the top bar, this is the formulas bar, and I'm going to select the text that I want converted. Now that we've already converted the category column, I want to now convert the detail column. So I'll select B1 and press enter, since right here you can see that's the only thing that we need on this function, is just the text that we need converted to uppercase text. So I'll press enter. Now you can see how that's broken down here in the formula bar. And I'm going to press this little square and hold it and drag it down, or I can double click it and that fills in all the rest. And now we have all of our text in uppercase characters. The one thing we're going to want to be careful of though is if we delete this information over here, it will delete it from our formula. So let's undo that and I will show you how to save that data here real quick. We'll select both of these columns, copy, and then we will paste special. And we're going to want to be sure to paste with values and click OK. Now when we click in here, you can actually see that the top bar, the formula bar, doesn't have a function or formula in it anymore at all. So that's exactly what we wanted, and now we can actually just delete these two here. And now we have exactly what Olivia wanted. The list that she had before without typing everything out all over again, but everything still properly converted to uppercase characters. Although this change isn't going to be a big pro or a big con in terms of how much business she gets, it could maybe save her time in terms of glancing at her sheet and trying to figure out which wax she wants to use for the next batch of candles. So she's happy that this is going to simplify some of her internal spreadsheets and how she works, and she's happy that she knows going forward how to change everything to uppercase characters if she wants. Let me know if you have any questions on this process, and until next time, have fun excelling!